My name's Dave Paterson. I work for Unity and Poverty Action, also part of Pray for Leeds and Gather Leeds, and work here at St George's Crypt with the homeless community. I think it's been a very strong response from different Christians and churches in the city of Leeds to coronavirus, which hit in the middle of March. From that time, at any one given time, we've had 2 strategic delivery systems delivering food to people's houses. That includes the Welfare Support Scheme, which had 27 hubs, 8 of them churches, and people would connect with a citywide warehouse, and then they would get food and deliver it out to people, as well as giving health calls and welfare calls to people. Homelessness has been really important, as you can see here. We've got 12 different rooms, and there's been a very strategic response from the Crypt and other providers, including staff here going up to the hotels and supporting people in the hotels. And as well as that, there's been gatherings around business, gatherings around health, gatherings around politics, bringing Christians together so we can journey together at this time. We've had 2 Gather Leeds events. We've got another one in November. We've got a citywide prayer event in November, led by 6 church leaders from the city. And we've got Andy Flanagan and Dean Fryer-Saxby coming to do a Christians in Politics event. It's been a good response. Thank you so much for all your support. Okay.
My name is Naruca White, and I'm here in Neruka Soup Kitchen, based in Church of Jesus Christ Apostolic in Hare Hill, and we are supporting, people from different nationality in our community. And thankfully, we are, getting lots of support from Fair Share, from Food Aid Network, from this local supermarkets, and even from local people. We're really very grateful to be able to do what we're doing. We've been doing this for 11 years now.
Hello, my name is Paul Lancaster. I have been doing some research in Leeds recently on the impact of COVID-19 on a variety of church congregations, and here are some of the findings. Many church leaders found that not being able to meet together had a profound impact on their normal church life. People began to realise that they needed to respond, in spite of not being able to meet together. The online services still went on in many cases, and the report was that many more people were attending the service through online methods. But also a realisation that Sunday worship was not the centre, but asking themselves the question, really, what does it mean to be church in the local community? And there has been an overwhelming response of wanting to meet needs of the lonely and those who are more vulnerable. And there's been some amazing stories that have come out of that. Many felt that they were beginning to address some of the issues of inequality, being made much more aware of them for the first time, and especially some of the issues around racism, which came out of the George Floyd incident, and conversations. And there was an amazing response of over 90 churches writing to Leeds City Council about a response to that. There's been also a growing, not just awareness, but attempts to address mental health and unemployment issues with a number of churches. And all this has come through, not through the formal churches together structures, but rather through relationships across churches and with those that are not involved with church in the local communities. And this has been encouraging. But one of the common themes that's come through all of this has been the growing awareness of prayer and needing to pray together online and also individually.